exactly where she was sitting
Yeah,
at.
because I ran into her. I was on the strip out working, and she got her fired for making $100.
Hello.
I was still gonna trap with her, but I
I
got
ain't
gay
gonna
and
lie.
me up.
What's up? Why
Hello.
is
Hey,
always the
where
You
is
ain't
Slim?
fuck
Where
with
is Slim?
nobody.
I'm here. Lulu,
Huh?
where your friend at? I'm here.
I mean, if you walk in there, I mean,
I'm literally, I'm inside the nail
if you
salon. She's
walk
not in the
in
nail.
there and you take off on her while she getting her nails done, that is not no cool point.
She's getting it anyway. She's not in this motherfucking nail salon.
where the trees at the flowers?
This is the nail salon that she told me to. This is where they told me to meet her at. So where's she? All right, I'm mobile, so I
She
can meet her.
said,
Where
make
I
you
don't know what
drive.
nail salon she's at.
Man,
Where's she at? Where's she at?
she pulled up to the wrong.
Okay, but I'm saying, okay, so what's the right location
You
so I
hit the
can pull
nail
up?
shop on the first left and hopped
You,
out.
no, this is the nail shop that we all get our nails done at. Classically nails.
Well, you know
The
that
fuck?
big
I
girl.
know exactly where we all get our nails done at the
Hey,
same
I
place.
ain't gonna
Every
lie.
mom
What's
in
going
Houston goes.
on? Why you look
So
like
where's she
this?
at?
You look like Michael Jackson.
Okay, that's fine. I'm not here for your fucking entertainment. The fuck?
Why do you want to
My
fight?
nigga thinks I'm fine, so I don't give a fuck about what you think.
Okay, so then, all right, so now we got to find
Talking about
Slim.
somebody look like Michael Jackson with fucking shit turds on your head, bitch. Go the fuck on. Get the fuck on. Anywho, where's
Billie
Slim?
Oh,
Jean was not
Oh,
my
where
love,
do you
and
think he
Daddy,
went? So
she
Daddy
just
Ashford.
the
I don't give a
love
fuck.
that
Hold
I
Anyways, back to what I was saying. Where is
want.
Slim? Is Slim pulling up or not? Or
Jenny's
where's she
not
right
my
now?
on.
son.
30.
Exactly
I'm
at?
trying to tell her where she's at. She's
She
at
say
3130
I am the one.
South Derry Ashford.
Do you think you ate the bag?
Jenny's
Do you
not
think you ate
my
the bag?
son.
Slim, I mean,
Okay,
Rain, do you
next.
hear me? She's at
And I
3132
am the
South
one.
Derry Ashford.
On the dance,
You said,
on the
wait,
floor.
Hold on, Lulu.
hold on, Lulu.
Get a dance on the
What'd you
floor.
say it
Make
was?
it
What's the
right.
address?
She's at 3132 South Derry Ashford.
Billie Jean is not my son. Ooh, ooh,
She,
yeah.
no,
Say,
Okay.
she said she's still here. Hell, you mean you pulling up? She right here in the comment section.
fuck.
I think
Yeah,
it's
homie,
enough
she ain't got
stuff
nothing
that's
to
on.
lose. Look at her. Got a long ass head.
That's fine.
Ah! Fuck.
Wait, hold
I don't
on.
care if you black or white. Look at
He's
that.
trying to leverage for it.
Ah!
Okay. Bro, look at your fucking
Fuck.
self. Look at yourself, you idiot.
I
Like,
don't care if you black or
you is
white looking
ugly as
at.
fuck, your damn self talking about somebody.
Look.
Literally.
Look.
Literally. Okay, that's
Look.
fine. You've been having
That
it up.
look.
Big
Go
girl
home.
code. Okay.
Go home.
You go home.
Billie Jean. It's
No,
not my
add Max.
son.
Nino, add Max. Nino, add Max right
Ah.
Huh?
now. Nino, add
Let me
Max.
see. I'll bet at her. Who is that?
That's the girl that's finna make sure that don't nobody jump Slim.
Ain't nobody finna jump Slim. I'm by myself. I have no girl here. But nobody's finna add
She
her.
said she was on her way.
Man, this hoe is playing. That's the address to the Yeah.
Where is it?
Oh, you just go back over there.
You better go live. He not. I can't. I can't go live. That's why
I
I'm
don't
going.
even. She got to send a request.
Max, send a request for
Billie Jean is not mine, son. She said I am one on the bench, on the floor, make it right. Fuck. Where is this at? Where is this page at? I do not see it. Oh.
Max. Max bags for Max bags. Bring Slim
Oh,
bodyguard.
Max.
Bodyguard or not, but do you?
Why I can't add you?